Ever dream of ditching that bulky work phone and just using your own sleek smartphone for everything? Imagine the freedom of having one number for business and personal calls, without the hassle of carrying two devices. Well, that's the promise of virtual phone systems like Grasshopper. They offer features like professional greetings, call forwarding, and voicemail transcription, all without needing a dedicated phone line. But what about keeping your existing phone number? Is that even possible? Let's dive into the world of Grasshopper and see if you can hold on to that familiar number you've built your professional reputation on. Grasshopper 101. Making calls fly in the cloud. Grasshopper isn't your standard phone company. It's a cloud-based virtual phone system, meaning your calls are routed through the internet instead of traditional phone lines. This opens doors to a range of features that can seriously streamline your business communication. Think of it like having a personal phone assistant in the cloud. You get fancy greetings that make you sound like a Fortune 500 company, even if you're a one-person operation. Missed calls? No problem. Grasshopper will transcribe voicemails and send them straight to your inbox, making them easy to manage. Plus, you can even forward calls to multiple devices, ensuring you never miss a beat, no matter where you are. But here's the real question. Can you bring your existing phone number to the Grasshopper party? Porting your number. Migrating your identity. The good news is yes, you can. This process is called number porting, and it essentially transfers your phone number from your current carrier to Grasshopper. It's like moving your house address. You get to keep the familiar location while enjoying the benefits of a new service. Here's the catch. Number porting isn't always instantaneous. It can take a few business days for everything to switch over, so be prepared for a temporary interruption in service. Also, make sure your current carrier allows porting. Some have restrictions, so it's best to check with them beforehand. There might also be a small fee associated with porting your number, so factor that into your decision. But generally, the benefits of keeping your established number outweigh the temporary inconvenience. The Grasshopper advantage: keeping your number, keeping your network. So, why is keeping your existing number such a big deal? Here's why. Brand recognition. Your phone number is part of your professional identity. People you've networked with, clients you've worked with, they all have your number stored. Switching numbers can disrupt those connections and make it harder for potential customers to reach you. Continuity and trust. A new number screams new business, which might not be the message you want to send. Keeping your existing number shows continuity and establishes trust with your network. People know they're reaching the right person or business. Marketing materials update hell. Imagine having to update your website, business cards, brochures, everything with your old number on it. It's a time-consuming nightmare. Keeping your number saves you the hassle of a marketing material overhaul. Beyond porting, alternatives for Grasshopper newbies. Maybe you're just starting out and don't have an existing number. No worries, Grasshopper has you covered. They offer a wide selection of local and toll-free numbers you can choose from. This is a great option for building a brand new professional identity. Another perk? Grasshopper allows you to get a vanity number, a memorable number that spells out a word or phrase, like 1-800 fix MYPC. This can be a great way to make your business instantly recognizable. The Grasshopper verdict: keeping your number is a wise move. So, to answer our initial question, yes, you can absolutely keep your phone number when switching to Grasshopper. In fact, it's often the smartest move to make. You maintain brand recognition, avoid marketing material mayhem, and ensure a smooth transition for your network. While there might be a short wait during the porting process, the benefits of keeping your number far outweigh the temporary inconvenience. Grasshopper offers a variety of resources to guide you through the porting process, so don't be afraid to reach out to their customer support if you have questions. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy calling.